Hey there, and welcome to TechLighten Me. In this video, I'll show you how to install Windows 11 23H2 on unsupported hardware. To install Windows 11 23H2 on unsupported hardware, we need to start by downloading the Windows 11 23H2 ISO file. To do that, open the browser on your computer and do a Google search for Download Windows 11. The first result should be the official Windows 11 downloads page from Microsoft, so click on the link to open it. Next, scroll down to the section where you can download the Windows 11 disk image. Click on the drop-down menu, select the Windows 11 Multi-Edition ISO file, and then click on Download Now. Next, you need to select the product language. This needs to be the same language that's installed on the system that you want to upgrade to Windows 11 23H2. If it's not, you won't be able to keep all of your existing files and apps. To determine which language you have installed, open Command Prompt as admin. Next, run the following command. Have a look at the default system UI language. Now go back to the Windows 11 Downloads page and select the language you saw in Command Prompt and click on Confirm. Next, click on the 64-bit download button, and then the download for the Windows 11 ISO file will start. In a new tab, do a Google search for 7-zip and go to the Downloads page. On the next page, download the 7-zip installer for Windows. Once it's finished, click on the 7-zip file and install it on your computer. Once 7-zip is installed, find the Windows 11 ISO file on your computer. Next, right-click on the ISO file, hover your mouse over the 7-zip option and select the Extract to option. That will extract all of the Windows 11 setup files to a new folder in the same directory. Once the extraction is finished, open the folder with the extracted files. Next, open the Sources folder. Now you need to find this file, which is called appraiserres. Don't confuse this with the normal appraiser file. You need to find the appraiserres file. Once you've found it, right-click on it and select Open With. Click on More Apps, find Notepad on the list of apps, and then click on OK. The file should now be open in Notepad and you'll see a bunch of text. In the Notepad window, press Ctrl and A on your keyboard to select all of the text, and then press Delete on the keyboard. Next, click on File and then Save. Now close the Notepad window and navigate back to the root of the Windows 11 folder. Next, run the setup file. The Windows 11 Upgrade Wizard will launch. Change the update options as shown and click on Next. In the next window, accept the terms. Now the Windows 11 Upgrade Wizard will determine if your PC can perform the upgrade. Once it's done, you should see this screen where you can install Windows 11 and keep all of your personal files and apps. To start the upgrade, just click on Install. Your unsupported computer will now upgrade to Windows 11 version 23H2. If this video was helpful, remember to like and subscribe for more tech enlightenment.